Welcome back everyone. So for this day, it is a very special day because it is my birthday. Yes. So this episode will be a birthday special. Yes. And I want to share to you guys this day of mine. I want it to be exciting and joyful. Okay, so we can be all happy on this day. So as you can see, I have here a sketch of Supergirl. The reason I've done this is I want to make a challenge. Yes, a challenge. In the past few weeks, I've been drawing Dragon Ball, Goku, Vegeta, and all of those stuffs. So I want now to make a change and move out to my comfort zone. So what we will be doing today is something challenging, something interesting. Okay, so my plan is to draw Supergirl, but not the typical Supergirl because that is kind of boring. What I'm planning to do is to change her appearance, change her design, and maybe tweak some of her powers that will complement to our design later. So I want to use this app. Maybe most of you know this application on Android phones. It is called RT Games. It is made by YouTuber Jazza, and Jazza is one of my favorite YouTubers. I do really enjoy watching his stuff, and he made me inspired to do character designs, try different mediums of art, and take art as a way to relieve stress and be happy. Okay, so in this art games app, we will do a custom generator. When we say custom generator, we are generating things which which we will use later for our design. So in our custom generator, I've filled in some packs which is called the archetype and the elements. So let me show you what does it involve. So here in archetypes, you can see there are Herald, Mercenary, Vampire, Exorcist, Destroyer, Angel, Alchemist, Gods, Spellcaster, Ninja. Okay, the reason I use this is for to change Supergirl's overall design. So maybe later we can get a Ninja or a Spellcaster, so we will alter Supergirl's design with regards to the result of this one. Okay, then when it comes to the elements, you can see there are fire, water, earth, wind, which is the basics, and we have void, light, electricity, poison, decay, sound, and other more stuffs. So without further ado, we will now do the generating ideas. We will generate more ideas now so we can start onto the drawing. Okay, so custom generator, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, okay, so we will try to transform Supergirl and her design as a healer. Then her power is void. When we say void, it's like darkness. It's like taking control of the space or nothingness. Okay, so we are done with generating the ideas. Now we will proceed to planning. Welcome back, guys. So now I'm done with planning and finding all of my references. As you can see here are my references which I've gathered from Google. which I think that will fit into the word healer. Then we have here Supergirl there. Some of those artworks are from Jim Lee, David Finch, and even Archer. Then when it comes to void here, which means nothingness, so it comes like a giant ball, black ball that is surrounded by purple aura. Using all of these references in order to create my new version of Supergirl. So let's get to it. Welcome back, guys. So now we are done drawing the face and the hair, and as you can see later, I will do the body and its costume. Actually, I'm done doing some sketches on what would be the costume would look like on its final product. So I have it planned out. So just a little talk about what happened here. When it comes to the hair, I tend to use the usual hair of Supergirl. Then I kind of change the eyes from the previous sketch, for I feel like Supergirl needs to be more joyful and more kind when it comes to her eyes, because she is also a symbol of hope. So I think that helps the drawing a lot. So now we will start the body, and see you later. Welcome back, guys. So now we are done with the whole sketch, and I'm pretty much happy on how it turns out. So I'm gonna revise and try to tweak more things when it comes to her face and to the whole anatomy from the previous sketches. So, and one more thing I really love about this piece is the S curve of the energy flowing from the void of her powers. So now, since we are done drawing all of the necessary stuffs and building our foundation, I think it is best to start with the coloring. I'll get you guys back later. on. So now we're done with the drawing, and I really love how this turns out. You know, exceeded my expectations on what will this challenge will turn out. So hope you guys like it. I really hope that it gives joy to all of you watching me draw this piece, you know. And let's talk about my decisions on what is the meaning of the colors that I've used. So when I use color yellow, that represents the healing, and the violet is the void. So she's in a void trying to gather the void and turn it as healing powers to other people, so she can heal other people. So I kind of use the old school costume of Supergirl, which is the white and the red, and and I really like how it turns out. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know if you want me to try more challenges like color challenge, more character design. Just let me know, and hope you enjoy. So see you on the next video. Bye.